Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I show you how to make classic cocktails and some of my own cocktail recipes. Today we're going to be making a whiskey sour. We're going to start by pouring 1.5 ounces of whiskey into a jigger. I'm using rye here, but bourbon works as well. Next, we're going to juice half a lemon, which yields around 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Strain and then add to the shaker tin with the rye. I always use freshly squeezed juice, as packaged juice from the store has additives or has been processed in such a way that it really alters the taste in a negative way. Next, I'm adding 1/2 ounce of homemade simple syrup. The simple syrup is a dark simple syrup made with demerera sugar. I always use dark simple for cocktails made with dark spirits and light simple with white sugar for clear spirit-based cocktails. The dark simple syrup has more molasses content to it, which plays nicely with aged spirits. The process to make it is the same: 1 part sugar to 1 quart water dissolved over low heat and stored in the fridge. For a traditional sour, you have to use an egg white. Separate 1 egg white from its yolk and add it to the shaker tin. For a vegan version, you can use 1 ounce of aquafaba, which you can source from the cooking liquid of chickpeas. I'll have a video on how to make and use aquafaba in the future. Here I'm doing a dry shake to whip the egg white into a froth. Next, I'm adding a small amount of ice and shaking vigorously until the ice dissolves. I use 2 small cubes. I find this amount properly cools down the cocktail and adds the right amount of dilution without losing any of the foam from the egg whites, which tend to cling to the ice left in the shaker tin. Once the ice has dissolved in the shaker tin, pour it directly into a cocktail glass. You can use a coupe, but I'm going to be using a rocks glass here. A chilled glass would be better. I don't use a strainer for egg white cocktails because I find that the egg likes to cling to the springs of the Hawthorne strainer, and I want all of that fluffy egg white in the glass. For garnish, I'm going to use some Angostura bitters, an orange twist, and a brandied cherry. I will have a video on how to make your own brandied cherries that I will link below when it's ready. And there you have it, a classic whiskey sour. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more cocktail content. Let me know in the comments if there are any cocktails you'd like to see featured. Thanks guys, see you next time.